Welcome to STEM Smart Academy, everyone. One of the most growing YouTube channels that offers free live sessions making learning simple and enjoyable. Before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, and share our videos with your other friends. And if you want individualized tuition, both online and physical, it's available. You can contact us via the number 0741 30 43 11. So today we are going to look at a grade 9 mathematics question under statistics 1, which is also examinable in form 2 mathematics. So stay tuned, welcome your friend, subscribe so that you don't miss any update whenever we post. So learners, let's dive deep into the question. Given a grouped data in the table below, study the table and answer the questions. Roman 1, find the mean. Find the mean. You all agree with me? When you are told to find the mean, what do we need to do? To get the mean, we have the formula that mean is equal to summation of fx over summation of f. Do we have the summation of fx? No. This is just some grouped data. In fact, this column should not be x, this is just class. We need to introduce first a class here by the name x, which is the midpoint of our classes. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. Then 11 plus 20, then divided by 2, that is 15.5. 21 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 25.5. 31 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 31 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 35.5. Then 41 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 45.5. Then because frequency is the f, we need to get f times x. We need to get a column for f times x, so we need to get fx here. F times x means f is 1, x is 5, so when you multiply 5 times 1, you get 5. 15.5 times 5, you get 77.5. 25.5 times 10, you get 255. 35.5 times 6, you get 213. 45.5 times 3, you get 136.5. So let's get the summation of f here. The summation of f is obtained by adding the f column, so that's 1 plus 5 plus 10 plus 6 plus 3. That gives a summation of 25. We also need to get the summation of fx here by adding that column, that is 5 plus 77.5 plus 255 plus 213 plus 136.5, that is 687. 687, like that. So when you want to get the summation of fx over summation of f, we are going now to take summation of fx we found is 687 being divided by the summation of f, which is 25. What are we going to get here? So when you divide this by 25, you get 27.48. 27.48. So that is the mean of this question, and that's how you calculate the mean. Let's look at Roman 2, the mode. When you talk about the mode, you look at the data that has the highest frequency. I think the question is asked about the model class. Let's have this as the model class. Determine the model class. The model class is the class that has the highest frequency. So the highest frequency here is 10. Therefore, the class is 21 to 30. So in that context, the class is 21 to 30. As simple as that. You are done with identifying the model class. Roman 3, we are asked about the median. Remember, in mathematics, formulas are very important. So how do we calculate or rather compute median? It is L plus N over 2 minus the cumulative frequency above the median class over F times the class interval I. So before we calculate the median, we need to introduce one more column here, which we call the CF column, cumulative frequency. The first value of the CF column must always be equal to the first value of the frequency, which is 1. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 6 you get 22. 22 plus 3 you get 25. So after that, let's identify the median position. Let's identify the median position. To identify the median position, you found the total frequency is 25. So you take 25, you divide it by 2. This is 12.5. This is the position. This is the position. After getting it is 12.5 position, you look at the cumulative frequency column. Where does 12.5 lie? 12.5 lies in 16. Therefore, this is going to become our median class. This is going to become our median class. The one I've circled here is our median class. So from the formula, we've written that L plus N over 2. L is the lower class limit. When you look at this, so our lower class limit will be 20.5. We are going to have this. We are going to have this as 20.5 plus N over 2 means 25 divided by 2. That is 12.5 minus the previous cumulative frequency, or rather the cumulative frequency above the median class, which will now be 6. So that is minus 6 all over the frequency of that median class. The frequency is 10 and the class interval will be 30.5 minus 20.5. That is 10. So 10, 10. So over 10, which is the frequency, times the class interval of 10. So this will give you 20.5. Then plus, when you take this, that is 12.5 minus 6 divided by 10 times 10, that is 6.5. 6.5. Then when you add 20.5 plus 6.5, you're going to get 27. And that will be your median. 27 will be your median as per the data. 27 will be your median.